Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to clear Clash in solo leveling. First, focus on significantly boosting your total power. Aim for at least 300,000 power to tackle the challenging multi-boss encounters effectively. Equip your best artifacts and weapons, ensuring your main weapon is at its highest possible level to maximize your damage output. This foundational step is crucial for success. Next, focus on smart combat tactics. When multiple bosses appear, try to position yourself to group them closely. This allows your area of effect abilities and ultimate skills to hit all targets simultaneously, dealing massive damage. Consistently use your break skills to interrupt boss attacks and create crucial openings for your strongest attacks. Your hunter team and gear are vital. Choose hunters known for their powerful break capabilities and wide-reaching area of effect attacks. For artifacts, prioritize sets that significantly increase critical hit rate, critical damage, and elemental damage, such as light damage. Equip blessing stones like Mana Rampage and Boss Slayer to gain crucial attack and damage bonuses against bosses. Finally, flawless execution is key. Always wait for at least 2 bosses to be close before unleashing your ultimate ability for maximum impact. Keep debuffs active on enemies and consistently exploit their elemental weaknesses for increased damage. Practice your dodges and shadow steps to avoid incoming attacks, ensuring you can maintain continuous damage without interruption.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.